Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to filter and sort tasks in ClickUp, a key skill for getting the most out of this powerful project management tool. First up, let's talk about filtering tasks. To filter tasks, you'll want to head over to your task list and find the filter option. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu with various parameters such as due date, assignee, and priority. The reason we do this is to narrow down our tasks and focus on what's most important or urgent. Now that we've done that, let's move on to sorting tasks. To sort tasks, you'll see an option right next to the filter called Sort. Click on this, and you'll be able to arrange your tasks by different criteria like due date or alphabetical order. This helps us because it allows for even more refined task organization, making sure we can find tasks quickly and efficiently. But what if you want to use both? Well, ClickUp allows you to combine the filter and sort functions. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you use both, ClickUp first filters out the tasks based on your parameters, then it sorts the remaining tasks. This way, you get a perfectly tailored task list that suits your exact needs. Next up, always remember to save your filter and sort preferences. ClickUp gives you an option to save your current filter and sort setup. Why does this matter? Well, by doing this, you won't have to set up your preferences each time you log in. It's a fantastic time-saving feature. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've learned how to filter and sort tasks in ClickUp, making your project management process that much smoother and more efficient. Thanks for joining us today, and remember to keep exploring ClickUp to make the most of your project management journey. Until next time.